What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMDTNT, where I am living my dream, trading and traveling. Hope everybody out there is doing well today. As for myself, I'm doing pretty good. Out here in the shop, giving these machines a break for a minute, so I figured I would go ahead and get a recap in for today's trading session. Today being a Wednesday, it's a day that I don't trade the morning session because I am not at the desk in the morning to trade it. And today looks like it was a great day to actually trade the morning session. But again, wasn't here, couldn't take advantage of it, can't cry over spilled milk. All I could do is trade the market that I'm presented with when I'm at the desk. So that's what I kind of tried to do today, but I traded like a little inch. I just didn't trade up to my standards today, I don't think. So let's go ahead, let's pull the charts up. We'll look and actually see what I did. It was a green day, so gotta be kind of thankful for that, but it should have been a better green day in the cash account. So if you look over here, you see what I'm trading. I trade two Take Profit Pro accounts, and then I trade my cash account. The Take Profit Pro accounts, I'm up a little over 160 in each of those, and then the cash account, I'm only up 67 bucks. I think it was about maybe 11 o'clock when I got to the desk this morning and was presented with what the market was showing. Today, I'm not going to go and look at each and every one of these charts, but what I will kind of look at real quick is just this 5-minute chart that I'm kind of liking. And if you notice, the market tanked at about 11, right around that time I sat down. It's kind of chopped around, and now we're kind of just grinding back up. If the market gets over this 5-minute level, if it could break this 5-minute supply, which is at about 311, I think we can go all the way back up. I think we'll go up and test this 5-minute level right here at 346. It's like 30 points, and we could make a good move all the way back up. Look at that. There's like nothing in between there. That was one big candle that took us down on the 5-minute chart. So that's what I'm seeing on the 5-minute. And this here's the 1 minute. I'll go ahead, open that up. I already have all my levels kind of marked, what I wanted to see. And we'll just take a big snapshot picture looking at going out to like 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is when the, like the early morning sessions. I had a darn brain freeze right there. But that's when the markets open. Pre-market, that's the word I'm looking for. That's when the pre-market opens at 4 o'clock. See, the market made a nice down move, and then at 9 o'clock, caught traction, made the big move. 9:30, it had kind of pulled back, and then it just ripped into the open. I sat down about this time right here, and I had made the comment to Vega. Me and him had started chatting. And I said that if these two demand areas right there break, we're going to see a reversal. We will see a reversal. And I think I hear somebody outside. Yep, time to pause. All right, we are back. And I don't remember what I was talking about because it was like 10 minutes ago. But let's just start back over here at 4 a.m. Yeah, market just kind of ran down. 9 o'clock, we get a nice green candle, rips, pulls back right to a demand that's at the candle. I kind of like that. Rips, boom. Oh, that's where we was at. So I sat back, I got to the desk about right here, and I told Vega if we could break two demands, that's my sign that a reversal is coming. That's my sign that a reversal is coming. And I'm going to show you just to kind of show it. So let me bring that up real quick. So that's the Discord right there. What is it, like 11:10? Tell them I just got home from work. After a massive run, I'm waiting on 2 demands to get broken back to back. Got it. And I scalped them for about $100 in the Take Profit Pro accounts. Basically said that usually means it's a reversal, but the way that the market was looking, I didn't really want to trust it, but we see that that's what happened. So let's go ahead. Let's jump on back over to the charts. We get the 2 breaks, kind of comes back up, retest this area right here. And actually that navy blue line, I kind of color coded them so that I know that that's the most recent 15-minute level. So this is where it was actually setting the level at. But yeah, came back down. When it gave up that demand right there, it's over. It's at least coming to here. If that breaks, it's at least going to there. Notice that candle kept pressure, closed below it, and then we broke the low. Next level, it's coming all the way down. Notice it stopped right at the 200, kind of bounced, and then rolled back over. I took a long right here to play just like a little quick bounce, and I got out of the way super quick, made a couple of bucks, flushed on out, and then we've just kind of been chopping around right here. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna back this on out. We'll take it to about right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and opens up my live account right there. So this here cash account, this is what I was talking about, y'all. Why am I trading like this? So chart flips red back over here, and I always said just because it flips red, that's not really a like tradable action for me. I still want to see some other things happening. One being, I want this candle right here to go ahead and change colors. Notice how my candle's always black. That candle right there tells me that that just happened, a crossover. Usually when this happens, the market will pull back up to what I found, the next closest supply. So had this supply not been right here, I think we would have pushed all the way up to right there. But pushes into that cloud, comes back down, and notice this supply has taken out this demand, and then it's about to take out this demand right here. And it wicked and took it out, and I was like, man, I should take that in my cash account. So I switched over to the cash account real quick and kind of seen what that trade was going to be risking. It's risking 75 bucks. I mark it in, and I'm thinking I'm gonna catch a fill right there. It fills me way down there. So I'm in 2 contracts. I'm gonna be risking a little more than $75 a contract now because I did catch a little slippage, and it kind of made a move, and I took my stop to break even, y'all. I punked out. That's what I was trading, like a little punk. But it made this move. I got out of this one here. I was hoping to catch this move like that, but I took my stop to break even. It came up, wicked me, and then made the move. All I can do is shake my head. It proceeds to close right there, break, and look what it does. It goes down there and it hits that target. This black line right here is previous day's close. Comes down, taps off previous day's close, and we've just been kind of grinding back higher. Just grinding back higher. Always say if it comes up to the cloud, breaks the low, it's going to come back down. Come up, break the low, come back down. It needs to hold inside of the cloud and then break the high. It did that. It's off to the races. Came up to the 100, retest, break the low. It's coming back down. So it's just kind of been pushing its way up in there. That time right there, it tested to 200 up on the top side, failed, pushed back down. Finally broke it. And then I had started making the video right around here. I saw this yellow candle come in, and as I was doing my intro. Again, the thought on that is always, this candle is pulling back. It's pulling back. And look what it did. It pulled back. It retested this demand and it broke it. And now it just created a new demand right here. We'll see if it lets that one go. But I don't want to be going long until we get above this yellow candle right there. Anything long down up in here is really a scalp, because I'm going to be trading into that. And that's just me looking at my charts and kind of observing price action. That's the one thing. If you trading, make sure that you're going back and you looking at your charts. If you're a new trader, and you're just kind of picking up on little nuances. And that's all I've been doing since I kind of been trading this edge, just kind of picking up nuances. If this supply can get taken out, we could possibly push back up. But again, I'm not trying to go long until we're above this candle. Because guess what'll happen? If this pushes up and it flips, because notice we're on a red chart right now. If this pushes up, actually, I don't see a pink candle up in there just yet. I don't see the pink candle. So the cloud technically has not flipped. So, but if this flips and it gets a pink candle or red candle, and then it comes back up and it gets a yellow candle, it can create that yellow candle below this yellow candle. It'll cause that crossover. And that's really going to be a bearish sign for me. It's really going to be a bearish sign. But on that note, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to wrap this video up. It's, what, 2:20? I'm about to go hit a bucket of golf balls. Headed to Cancun in a couple of weeks with the fellas to get some golf in. And I need to see what my swing is looking like, because I ain't played golf in a minute. But as always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Anybody out there trading prop firms right now? If so, which one are you trading? I've been watching a guy, can't remember his name, but a lot of times when I don't want to watch my charts after hours, I'll kind of watch him trade live online. And I won't say this joker is trading about 20-something prop accounts with maybe 5 different prop firms. He's still over there playing with Apex. I see down in his comments when he's normally streaming, people getting banned from Apex left and right. Me personally, I don't even know why folks still fool with Apex. I think there's so many other companies out there. I haven't traded Tradeify just because I don't like their consistency rule once you're in a pro account. But I hear they're decent. You still got Top Step. Top Step has been having their issues with their platform since they went to that Top Step X platform, and then they tried to monopolize it and say that you can't trade on any other platform. So I think they've been having issues. Take Profit Trader, I haven't had any issues with them lately. So if you out there trading, leave it in the comments which one you're using. Somebody else might be in the comments and might be looking to find a different prop firm. But on that note, I'm gonna wrap this one up. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.